Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to create posts on your Instagram. Maybe you want to post something on your Instagram but you don't know how to upload or create a post on your Instagram. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can create a post on Instagram. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, to add the post on Instagram, you'll see the plus icon at the middle below. Tap on this plus icon. And then in here, create your post. Tap on this select multiple if you want more images to post. But for this example, I only post one image, so I won't be tapping on that. After you select it, tap on this next button. And then in here, you can add filters and edit your photos and tap on the next button. And then in here, just simply tap on OK. And then in here, you can tap on this to write a caption. And you can also tag people, add locations, add musics, and more. After that, tap on the share button. As you can see, it's finishing up. And as you can see, it's now posted. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to create posts on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can create posts on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.